What up guys, welcome back to Disruptor Trading. Today, December 27th, it's 9:30 in the morning West Coast. I'm holding 6 contracts, calls. I entered right here. Next to the 9 moving average, that gray line I'm currently holding. The 9 moving average is acting as dynamic support. Looking to add more at the break of this pivot, the break of the high of the doji. Then we're gonna break the high of day. And hopefully we're gonna retest the all-time highs. Thinking of selling, thinking of getting out. Yeah, I'm out. Okay, so it's a red day today, no problem. You know guys, thank God I got out on my stop loss. I sold under the 20 moving average, that blue line right here. The stock already broke under the VWAP and is going to retest the intraday lows. I'm very happy with my trade. It was a very disciplined stop loss.